Hello, everyone. Welcome to my micro class. Today, I'm going to introduce the GS1 system and its role in product tracing. As the international community's requirements for food safety tracing become increasingly strong, countries have achieved certain results in the research of traceability systems, although certain results have been achieved. But there are also problems such as non-standard construction of traceability systems, different coding standards in various links of the supply chain, isolation between databases, and failure to achieve full supply chain tracing. Among many coding systems, the GS1 system is the most widely used. At present, there are more than 100 countries and regions in the world, and more than 1 million companies and enterprises use the commodity barcode of the GS1 system to mark goods. Dozens of countries and regions have adopted food tracing solutions based on the GS1 system. So what role does the GS1 system play in product tracing? The GS1 Global Unified Identification System is characterized by high efficiency, versatility, and low cost, and is widely used in the global supply chain. As an international standard system, it plays an important role in enterprise supply chain collaborative management, e-commerce, information sharing, etc., especially in the management process of the supply chain system. The application effect of the GS1 system is very obvious. It includes coding standards, data acquisition and exchange, and can realize standardized product identification and data information sharing. The three cores of the GS1 system are the coding system, data carrier system, and data exchange system. The coding system is the core of the entire GS1 system. It is the identification code and additional attribute code for all products and services, including trade items, logistics units, assets, locations and service relationships, etc. in the fields of production, circulation, warehousing, sales, etc. In the process of building the coding system, simply put, it is necessary to uniformly code the entities involved in the supply chain, such as participants, products to be traced, etc., and specific event information, such as time information, etc., to facilitate the recording and transmission of upstream and downstream information in the supply chain. The data carrier system is used to carry coded information at present. Common carrier forms mainly include one-dimensional codes, two-dimensional codes, and radio frequency tags. The application of carriers greatly improves the efficiency of automatic data collection and electronic exchange during the construction of the tracing system, according to the different attributes of traced products and the requirements of the tracing process. Different data carriers can be selected, such as commodity barcodes EAN13, GS1 1 to 8, and two-dimensional barcodes like Hanshin code, QR code, etc. The data exchange system is an inevitable requirement for supply chain tracing, because to achieve product tracking and tracing, the core requirement is the recording and association of supply chain tracing information, and the data exchange system, as the name implies, is used to achieve data transmission and association between upstream and downstream organizations in the supply chain. Coding, carrier, exchange, the three are integrated perfectly and efficiently, realizing product tracking and tracing. The application of the GS1 system realizes the rapid and accurate seamless connection between information flow and logistic, avoids the waste of resources and time caused by system incompatibility, reduces the operating cost of the system, and avoids the slowness and uncertainty of the supply chain. Since 2000, the China Article Numbering Center has carried out a large number of tracing research work in fields such as fruits and vegetables, meat, aquatic products, processed foods, etc., and established more than 100 demonstration projects. based on the GS1 system for product quality and safety tracing applications, covering meat and poultry, vegetables, fruits, processed foods, aquatic products, medical products, and local specialty foods, etc. Good social and economic benefits have been achieved, which provides strong technical support for China's quality tracing work. The GS1 Global Unified Coding Identification System. It is an effective technology for production enterprises to improve production efficiency and also an important tool to improve the standardization and informatization level of enterprises. The GS1 identification system, represented by commodity barcodes, plays an important role in traditional logistics, retail, and e-commerce fields, especially in important product tracing. It has achieved an environment of multi-party participation in production, logistics, and sales, sharing, and co-construction, avoiding many problems caused by information islands, which is conducive to information exchange in international trade and effectively improves the work efficiency and management level of each link in the supply chain. Today's assignment, after learning about the GS1 system, can you think about how to use the GS1 system to trace products, how to ensure the legal privacy of consumers in the process of product tracing? That's all for today's lesson. See you next time.